In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use a line picture in Excel. If you are working on a spreadsheet and you have inserted an image, you may notice that it does not always sit neatly inside the cell. The goal of this tutorial is to help you position the picture so it aligns perfectly with the borders of a cell, making your worksheet look clean and professional. First, click the picture located inside cell B2. Take a moment to find that cell on your sheet, then click directly on the image itself. When you select the picture, you should see a highlight around it, along with resizing handles on the edges. This is important because Excel needs the picture to be selected before you can use the alignment tools. If you click elsewhere in the worksheet, the picture will not be the active object, and you will not see the formatting options apply to it. Next, click the Picture Format tab at the top. You may see this tab appear only after the picture is selected, so make sure the image in B2 is still highlighted. Look along the top area of Excel for the tab that says Picture Format. Click it to open the set of tools specifically designed for images, including alignment options. This tab is where Excel groups actions that help you adjust how the picture is displayed and arranged. After opening Picture Format, you are going to click the Align button inside the Arrange group. This part is all about controlling how the picture lines up relative to your cells and other objects. Find the Arrange section within the Picture Format tab. Inside that group, locate the Align button and click it. The button usually reveals a drop-down menu, and you will use one of those options in the next step. Now, select Snap to Grid from the drop-down menu. When you choose Snap to Grid, Excel will automatically help your picture lock into the grid lines. This makes it much easier to place the image precisely, rather than trying to match cell borders by eye. After clicking Snap to Grid, you should notice that the picture movements feel more controlled and aligned with the worksheet grid. Even if it does not look different right away, this option changes how the picture responds when you move or resize it. Finally, drag any corner or edge of the picture to snap it perfectly to the cell borders. With Snap to Grid enabled, use the resize handles to adjust the picture until it fits neatly within the cell boundaries. Start by clicking one of the corners, then drag inward or outward slowly. Watch the edges of the picture as you resize, and align them with the borders of cell B2. You can also drag an edge handle if you need to fine-tune the width or height. The key is to move carefully and let the grid snapping guide your placement so the image stops in the right spot. Once the picture edges line up with the cell borders, you can release the mouse button. At that point, the image should look centered and neatly contained within the cell. This is especially useful for dashboards, labels, icons, or any layout where visuals need to be consistent and aligned. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.